We're back. I'm actually back with Alex, and we're gonna start with the we're gonna start with the first primary color. What? Okay, shh. What primary color is this?
Wow.
No, what primary color is this?
Yellow.
Yes, this is the yellow primary color. We're gonna place that over there. Ooh. What's this primary color? Wait, don't say it. What's this primary color, guys? What primary color? Yes, it's blue. So you're gonna place that blue one down right there. Okay, wait. Wait, don't say it yet, okay? Don't say it to them, because we want them to practice too. So, shh. What primary color is this?
Red.
Okay, red. You never listen. But it's okay. So, what do these two colors make?
Green.
Yes, it makes green. I have green. Oh. Yep. Go. And what does these two colors make?
Purple.
No, what do these two color makes?
Orange.
Yes, it makes
Orange.
orange. Wow, that's pretty. Well, we're gonna put all of these away because we're gonna do some primary colors again. Okay, so this time I want you to be quiet. So zip your lips if you want to play. Okay, shh. What primary color is this, guys? It's
Blue.
say it.
Blue.
Say it to them.
Blue.
Yes, the primary color is blue. Okay, now shh. Don't say anything, okay? Or if you want to play. What primary color is this, guys? What primary color is it, Alex?
Yellow.
Yes, it's the primary color yellow. Okay, now I want you to zip your lips again, okay? What primary color is this, guys? What primary color is this, guy?
Red.
Yes, it's red. So hopefully you got those right. So yeah, let's do it again. What does red and blue make? Red and blue.
Orange.
No, red and blue.
Red. Blue.
Shh. Make. What does red and blue make, guys?
Red.
Oh, shh. What does red and blue make?
Yellow.
No. What does red and blue make, Alex?
Orange.
No. What does red and blue make?
Black.
No. What does blue and red make?
Green.
No. What does blue and red make?
White.
No. It makes
Purple.
Yes, it makes purple. So, what does red and yellow make? Shh. What does red and yellow make?
Green.
No. What does red and yellow?
Black.
No.
Orange.
No.
Black.
No. What does red and yellow make?
Green.
Green, yes. What does blue and yellow make? What does blue and yellow make, guys? What does blue and yellow make?
Green. Purple.
No. This makes orange. Oh.
Orange.
Okay, what does these two make?
Orange.
No.
Orange.
No. What is that color?
Orange.
No. What is this color?
That's green.
Yes, the color is green. So guys, this time Alex is not gonna tell you the answer. None of us will. So you better get it right. Shh. Okay. You want to play with the slime? Here, I'll get you some slime to play with. But you have to be quiet, okay? I'll give you the orange one since it's really fun to play with. Okay, play with the orange one now. Okay, guys. Shh. Okay. So, what is this primary color? Shh.
Wait.
No, Alex. Play with your slime and aim. If you talk one more time, I'll take it from you, and you can't play with the slime. So aim, okay? What is this primary color, guys? Maybe you got it, or yeah, you got it. Make sure to get a parent with you so you can learn for these, especially when you do the quiz, because I can't see you guys. For the primary colors. What primary color is this, guys? Alex. Maybe you got it right, or yay, you actually got it right today. What primary color is this, guys? Maybe you got it right, or yay, you got it right. So, we have this, and it's really cool. So we have blue, yellow, and red. See, you got that right. So, yeah, I'm going to put this away, and we're going to have a quick story time, and then that will be the end of the video, okay? So I'm going to put all this away. Okay, let's do a quick story time. Okay, Alex? So I got our book. Shh. Ready? Lola at the library. Come here, stay. Look at the camera. Okay, shh, Alex, you have to be quiet, or you can't play with slime if you don't be quiet. Theme, okay? Lola loves Tuesdays. On Tuesdays, Lola and her mommy go to the library. Wow. Shh. You need to aim, okay, Alex? If you don't aim, I'll win you, and you can't play with slime, okay? And Daddy will also win you, okay? The library opens at 9 o'clock, but Lola's ready to go long before that. She puts all the books she borrowed last week in her backpack. Her library card is also very important. Shh. Aim. The library is not very far away, so Lola and her mommy always walk there. Lola and her mommy give back the books from last week. The librarian buzzes them through the machine. There is a special section in the library just for children. It is really cool. Nobody ever says, shh. Sometimes there is singing. Lola knows all the words and the hands for Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Shh, Alex. This is like a library. Oh, this is what I do at every end of the video that I teach you guys. Sometimes there is story time. Lola loves that. My favorite part is the end. You'll see why. After story time, Lola chooses her books in the library. She can have any book she wants. Lola likes stories with bears and anything with shoes. There are so many, it takes ages to choose. Ages. Ages to choose. That's a long time. Mommy has some books too. The librarian buzzes them through the machine, then stamps the date inside. Lola must bring them back in 2 weeks, but she will probably be back for more long before then. Okay, yeah, Alex. Lola and her mommy always gets a snack after visiting the library. Mommy has a cappuccino and Lola has juice. Whenever Lola has been good, her mommy lets her taste the foam. Mmm. Then it is time to go home again. Every night after Lola is tucked in bed, her mommy reads her a story. It is the best way to end the day. Did your mommy read a story to you at night? Or maybe your daddy? Well, that's all for the video today. Bye, everybody. Hope you loved this learning.